As I mentioned at the end of the last video, I want you to try graphing the inverses of these two functions. These were even numbered problems from the book. In case you don't have your book, I'll just help you out by labeling these points. The pictures in the book are always a little bit more to scale and easier to read. So this point here was 0, -3. This point here is 3, -1, and then 5, 2. That's f of x for problem 72. 74, there weren't a whole lot of points that it was easy to read off of, but I can see that the y-intercept here is 0, 1, and just notice that here the x-axis is a horizontal asymptote. Okay. So if you haven't already done this, pause the video and try to graph the inverse functions. I've got the answers up on the board here. Both of these you could get by turning and flipping. In this case, because these were just line segments, might have been faster to simply say, let's just get those three important sort of corner points, the starting point, the corner point, the ending point, which I've marked off here, -3, 0. 3, -1 is going to become -1, 3. 5, 2 becomes 2, 5. And then I've just got straight line segments connecting those. This one, I think it's definitely easiest to get this one by turning and flipping, and your results should look something like this. I'll just point out a couple of things that you can do to check very quickly. The y-intercept 0, 1 became an x-intercept 1, 0. And you'll notice on this graph, the positive x-axis was a horizontal asymptote. Well, when I switch the roles of x and y, we're going to get that the positive y-axis becomes a vertical asymptote.